The trick to smooth and creamy sorbet lies in something called the egg test. The egg test is a technique that can help you determine if a sugar-water solution contains the optimal levels of sugar without the use of any kind of fancy equipment. A raw egg is denser than water. This means essentially it is more solid, and as such it sinks or drops in when you place it in water. When a raw egg is dropped into a balanced sugar solution, though, it will actually float. This is because the density of the water is increased due to the sugar molecules occupying the spaces in between the water molecules. This makes the water denser, it fills the spaces, so it makes it harder for the egg to sink down fully into the water as it did in plain water. Think of it as a strainer. Before you add the sugar to the water, the colander with the larger holes is like the water, and the rice is like the egg. As you can see, the rice actually just falls straight through the holes, essentially sinking to the bottom. But after you add the sugar into the water, it becomes like the denser mesh strainer. And the mesh strainer actually prevents the egg or the rice from sinking because of the density, because now all the spaces are occupied, which makes it more dense. Sugar increasing the density of water is not the only thing that helps to make a sorbet creamier and smoother. The other thing is also the fact that sugar actually helps to decrease the formation of ice crystals because it inhibits large ice crystal growth. And this makes it creamier because the smaller the ice crystal, the smoother and creamier your end product will be. I hope you enjoyed discovering the why so you know how. And until next time, happy baking.